Hi guys, Muni back here with another video. Recently Samsung launched the long-awaited Galaxy S20 FE, the fan edition of the S20, and finally Samsung listened to what the fans wanted. The S20 FE is a power phone from Samsung in a really low price, starting from $699. But before we move on to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you are not gonna miss any future videos. The new S20 FE comes in 6 new colors: Cloud Red, Cloud Mint, Cloud Lavender, Cloud Navy, Cloud White and Cloud Orange. The S20 FE comes with a 6.5 1080p Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. But it only has Gorilla Glass 3 and not Gorilla Glass 6 from the flagship S20 lineup. The display is a flat one. On the back we have a plastic back with a matte finish. The new S20 finally comes with Snapdragon 865 all around the world, but only in the 5G versions. For the 4G versions, they still provide it with the Exynos 990. In my opinion, the difference between them is not a big deal, but for you Snapdragon fans can be finally happy. We have 6 or 8GB variants, with storage from 128GB base version up to 256GB of storage with UFS 3.1. For the cameras, we have a triple camera setup with a 12MP wide camera, an 8MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. So not the highest end cameras, but they are good to go. On the front we have a high resolution lens with 32MP. We have stereo speakers, Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi 6 on the S20 FE. For the security of the phone, we have an under-display fingerprint sensor, which is an optical one. And we still have the old PIN pattern and the face unlock, which is not really secure. As for the battery, we have a really big battery, a 4500 mAh with 25 fast charging capability. The phone supports fast wireless charging with 15W and reverse wireless charging with 4.5W. So this was the new S20 FE. I'm gonna make a comparison video between the S20 FE and the S20 lineup, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you're not gonna miss the future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and let me know what do you think about the new S20 FE in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye!